In our journey through yoga, we encounter an omnipresent challenge: stress. As we unfold the narrative of stress and its impacts on our mind and body, we recognize stress as a natural response to change, demanding adaptation. Chronic stress, however, can deplete our physical and mental vitality. Stress invariably enters our lives, disrupting our well-being. Its manifestations are diverse, affecting our mood, sleep, and even our physical health. Understanding stress empowers us to mitigate its impacts. Stress affects us like a storm disturbs the calm of a forest, yet within every storm, there exists the potential for peace. The release of adrenaline and cortisol gears our body for action, crucial for survival, yet often excessive in modern life, leading to prolonged stress. Our journey with yoga offers a refuge, teaching us to transform stress into tranquility. Each breath and movement in yoga brings us closer to harmony, turning stress into a serene lake. As we progress, we see how yoga equips us to dance with stress, inviting calmness within us. Our next chapter delves into breathing techniques, a vital tool for mental and physical calm. This excerpt exemplifies the narrative on understanding stress and the role of yoga in managing its effects, intended as a condensed version of a more comprehensive guide, rich with personal insights and scientific knowledge. With the calm of our breath guiding us, we enter the realm of gentle movement, a prelude to awakening. In this segment, we embrace simple stretches, preparing our bodies and souls for the journey ahead. Each movement is an act of communication between mind and body, fostering release and flexibility. Warming up is both a physical and spiritual act, aligning our intentions with our actions. Through gentle stretching, we listen to our body's needs, embracing the tranquility above. This warm-up is the quiet before the orchestra plays, setting the stage for mindfulness in motion. As we transition through each stretch, imagine stress dissolving, replaced by deep calm. This is not just preparation for the body, but an invocation of mindfulness, lighting the way to peace. As we conclude, we're reminded that yoga is an exploration, with each pose building on this foundation of serenity and readiness. As we transition from stillness into deep relaxation, we unlock profound relaxation techniques. Through guided relaxation and body scan meditation, we shed tension, embracing tranquility. Visualize guided relaxation as a journey, each breath a step towards peace, each focus on our body parts a step closer to total relaxation. This meditation is a beacon, guiding tension away and inviting serene calm throughout. These techniques aren't just practices, but pathways to a tranquil oasis within. As we embrace deep relaxation, we're equipped to integrate this calmness into our everyday life, transforming our daily routines into moments of mindfulness. From the depths of relaxation, we carry forward the ember of mindfulness, extending the serenity experienced in yoga into our daily life. Today's discussion, integrating relaxation into daily life, is a continuation of our journey, emphasizing the application of relaxation techniques beyond the yoga mat. Incorporating relaxation into our daily routines ensures the peace we cultivate during practice enriches our everyday moments. It's about transforming the ordinary with mindfulness, turning every activity into a practice of presence and peace. Engaging in mindful practice is a commitment to oneself, to stay present, and to maintain an oasis of calm in daily life. As we conclude this segment, we recognize that the practice of relaxation and mindfulness enriches our lives, urging us to weave these practices into our daily rhythm. As we reflect on our journey, we're reminded that the essence of yoga and mindfulness transcends the boundaries of practice, resonating in the stillness that follows each moment of awareness. We express our gratitude for your companionship on this path. Your engagement has transformed this journey, intertwining our experiences with patience and commitment. As our paths diverge, remember the seeds of peace sown during our time together. We encourage you to carry the essence of yoga into every facet of life, letting the tranquility you've nurtured guide you. This is not a conclusion, but an invitation to deepen your exploration of the self through yoga. As you embrace this ongoing journey, may you find peace, joy, and a deeper connection to your essence. Until our paths cross again, we wish you light, love, and peace. Namaste.